Hello, assalamu alaikum viewers. Again, I'm here another new video. So today I will share you a new video. It will be on loan amortization. So actually, how to easily calculate and find out the value of loan amortization by using Excel. So today we will learn it very easily. So let's get started. So let me share the screen actually. So here you can see a blank option. So today we will calculate loan amortization. So I'm writing loan amortization schedule. So okay. So at the beginning, I have to write the present value. Actually, principal amount. Sorry, principal. So we can assume any principal amount in column B. So I'm taking 5 lakhs amount, that is principal amount. So here I have to write down the rate. Actually, we can take uh, we can consume any rate. So I'm consuming 12%. So what will be year? Actually, need to write down year. I'm consuming year will be 15 years. So uh, even last one I have to write down payment per year. Actually, as it is a loan and the loan will be uh, given monthly basis. This is why, of course, we have to keep the option that is payment per year actually. So payment per year, we know if it is monthly, then of course it will be 12. So now, what will be the payment actually for each month? We don't know. So write down payment. So payment actually. So this is the thing actually we want to calculate today. So how we can calculate easily? So let's get started. So simply for calculating any amount, we have to give an equation sign. So just to give an equation sign, then actually we want to calculate payment. So we have to uh, write PMT. Here you can see PMT. Even we know that the basic option, that is we have to close. We have to give a first bracket. Of course, give a first bracket, and here you can see the rate. So what would be the rate actually? Rate, here B3 actually B3 rate, and as we want to calculate loan amortization, so in that case we have to divide it by B5, then comma, and then NPR. Actually, we know that NPR number of years 15 multiplied by payment per year. Okay, then of course comma, then present value. B actually what is present value? B 14. Okay, keep B14 and close the bracket and click on enter. Then here you can see the amount we have got $6,000.84 actually monthly we have to pay. So then we want to actually calculate how many months will it take to pay the all amount, that is 5 lakhs. So let's get started. So first give month actually, giving month, then it will be payment, PAMENT payment, then column C will be interest. Okay, interest, actually how much interest we have to pay for each month, that is the column, and column D will be principal amount. Actually with the interest, how much principal amount we have to pay. We have to write down principal amount. Okay, not principal, be principal actually. So principal amount and balance. What will be the balance after each payment? Actually, we don't know, but we know that balance is 5 lakhs. So give the amount and month is 0. Okay. So actually, for just calculate the month, give an equation sign, then be upwards into payment. Then click on it 180. So 180 month will take to pay the amount. So here we can see fill. You have to go to fill option, then series, then click on columns, then actually 180 of course, then okay. Then here you can see all the column till 180 it's been filled up, then okay. Then payment actually, so again give equation sign and write pmt, then first bracket, then rate is 12, then divided by payment per year, then comma, then NPR, actually NPR rate multiplied by multiplied sorry, will be backspace, it will be payment actually multiplied by payment. Okay, click on payment, then comma, then present value actually, then bracket close, then click on enter. Then here you can see all actually the payment will be here. Okay, cut it, cause payment will be here, equation sign pmt, first bracket, rate is 12%, divided by payment per year comma NPR number of years multiplied by payment per year. You can easily understand actually payment per year, just given payment per year, then comma, then present value, then bracket close, then click on enter. Of course the payment will be same, and for flapping all the blank column, then just click on it and double click. Actually why it's happened, because of actually to fill up the all option, actually you have to freeze, otherwise it will not be uh, it will not show any amount actually. So for phrase, actually click on function 4. Okay, function 4, click, all the amount will be freeze. Okay, then click on enter option and all the amount will be filled up. And here you can see easily all the blank option has been filled up, okay, by the payment. Okay, then we want to find out interest, how much interest will be payment for each month. We don't know actually. So for finding interest, so you have to give an equation sign, then as we would like to find that interest rate, this is how you have to type I PMT, then first bracket, then rate actually. So click on rate and divided by payment per year. Okay, then comma, then here you can see a new option, that is far. Actually, how much interest will be per month, we don't know. So this is you have to click this option. Okay, it will be a 2022 actually. So then comma, then again the same option number per year, then multiplied by payment per year. Okay, then comma, then present value. Okay, then bracket close. Okay, then enter. Okay, here every month you have to keep interest $5,000. So what will be the second? We don't know. So this is why we have to freeze again. Freeze every option, but you have you we don't freeze a two option because interest will be in the changing amount. Okay, that's why we will not freeze it. So click on again enter option and drag it and double click. Then here you can see for each month the interest rate is changing. Okay, even last year the interest is $59.41. Okay, it's very interesting to calculate. So here we will calculate principal amount. So for principal amount we have to give again an equation sign, then we have to write down as we want to calculate principal amount. That's why p, then pmt, then first bracket. So rate will be 12 divided by payment per year, then comma, then like again p, it will be a 2022, then comma, then number per year, it will be number per year, then multiplied by payment, of course payment per year, then comma, then present value, of course, then bracket close, then okay. Okay, so if for each month principal amount will be $1,000. So for rest of the month, what will be, then freeze it, freeze, freeze, but we don't freeze 822 just because the amount will be changed actually. So then double click on here, then you can easily see that every amount of actual principal amount is changing, you know. So even the amount is coming negative, you know, so balance is 5 lakh. So what will be the balance after payment 1 month by 1 month? So actually um, after reaching 180 month, the payment will be zero. So we can easily understand here. So click on an equation sign, then click on here, then give plus sign. Okay, then click on here, then the amount of course will come. Okay, then click on it, then we can easily understand that the amount is changing. Okay, and finally we will got here the amount is zero. So it's all about loan amortization. So in this way we can easily solve various complicated loan amortization problem by using Excel, you know. So actually I have just tried to how to calculate a loan amortization schedule by using Excel easily and rapidly. So here, if we want to calculate any type of loan amortization schedule by using Excel, so we can easily calculate nowadays. So that's all about loan amortization by using Excel. So thank you very much for watching this video, and of course that's a really good um, video. So for getting more videos, always stay and keep watching me. So thank you very much.